Hello everybody, Happy New Year! In the new year, I have a wish, which is when I'm older, I want to have a dream house. I think this house needs to be environmentally friendly, but I don't have any money. Well, how about I make a model house? But how should I do it? I have a lot of trash in my home. Maybe I can use that. This one's perfect. Wow, I'm finally finished. It's time for a room tour. This is my living room. It uses wood boards cut into strips for the floor. Card paper from gift boxes is used for the walls. The windows are made from wood and old used clothing for curtains. My bedrooms and living rooms furniture are made from wood. The sofa's cushions are made from my dad's old and used leather bags. My bed is made from my old clothes. The hangers are made from paper clips. The books are made from old magazines, and the decoration is made from clay. The rubbish bins and water jug are made out of empty Tic Tac boxes that I found in the kitchen. The railings are made from branches that I found on the floor, and most importantly, the bathroom. The toilet and sink is made from plastic spoons. The shower curtain is made from a used plastic bag. The kitchen sink is made from an empty jam box. At last, I used markers to draw details, like for example, the sockets and keyboard. This is my finished dream house. Does everybody think my house is beautiful? Now, I will show you the scenery outside of the window. Look how beautiful it is. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!